Hi. In previous lecture, we have seen that how to format the pivot table in readable form. Lot of time in the pivot table, there are many cells which have blank cells or no values. There is nothing wrong in that if there are no data or values for some selected filters. In our data sheet, remove profit from values and put segment in column. Also bring city field in rows. Now you can see that there are cells which are blank. What to do in case of blank space? If these blank cells bothering you and you want to place some values in these cells, then for this there is an option in your pivot table tool. Click on this and in the layout and format tab, right here in format section, there is a for empty cells show, which is right now is blank. You can put any value. I will put 0 here. Press OK. As we can see, all the empty cells are now showing 0 with the proper formatting. Now it's look more readable and understandable for analysis, isn't it? Thank you.